In the wake of several high-profile mass shootings, many communities in Colorado are adopting stronger gun control measures. This week, the city of Boulder passed 6 gun ordinances, including the ban of selling and possessing assault weapons and raising the purchasing age to 21. The ordinances also create a 10-day waiting period before someone can purchase a firearm. Now, while these ordinances easily pass city councils, their legal future may be in jeopardy. Denver 7's Rob Harris explains.
The Supreme Court's gotten a lot of attention recently after its leaked draft opinion overturning Roe v. Wade. But there's another ruling expected any day, and it could have big implications for gun measures being passed in Colorado right now.
Mayor, the 6 ordinances related to gun violence prevention were passed unanimously.
City councils in Boulder and Louisville this week passed new gun control ordinances, including bans on assault weapons and restrictions on carrying guns in certain public places. But these ordinances could come up against the upcoming Supreme Court ruling in New York State Rifle and Pistol Association Incorporated versus Bruin.
The court is looking at a law that's been on the books in New York for over 100 years that requires a person who is asking for a concealed carry permit to show cause as to why they need it for self-defense.
Ian Farrell is an associate professor at the DU Sturm College of Law. He and most scholars studying the case are convinced the court will strike down the New York law.
The only question is really how broad and sweeping will their opinion be. If the opinion is handed down in such a way that calls into question some of the laws and ordinances here in Colorado, then that would allow for a challenge to be made against those laws here in Colorado.
In particular, Farrell says laws that restrict guns in specific places, like public parks or gatherings, could be in question based off oral arguments in the case.
That looks like it would be severely under attack, or at least significantly threatened, if the court was to go so far as to say you can only ban weapons, if at all, in sensitive places.
Professor Farrell expects this ruling to be written responding to New York's gun laws specifically, so they wouldn't necessarily overturn Colorado's gun measures immediately. However, these measures could be challenged by lawyers in the next term, and they could point to the decision in this case. For Denver 7, I'm Rob Harris.